Happi Scalp T.L.C. Happi Scalp. This is a product that would be used once a week on dry hair. It's an exfoliator for your scalp. But since it's new, these are all prototype packaging right now. It will have this point. Bear with us. We're really focused on scalp care. As you know, Drunk Elephant is a skincare line, and scalp is skin. So scalp, hair, skin, you get it. Section the hair off. It's really easy. Put it on your scalp. I just kind of like rub it in. Take your comb, section it off. I like to do like 1-inch sections. It's almost like you're doing hair color. Takes away buildup, like from silicones that have made buildup. Hairspray builds up into the hair. Exactly like what it says, it's an exfoliator. It makes sense. Think about how glowy your face felt when you exfoliated your skin. I mean, doesn't everybody in this room want me to do this to them right now? Who doesn't love a scalp massage? I mean, seriously. So some of the best oils are produced through your scalp. So this is also another way to help distribute some of those oils out into the ends of the hair. Is it starting to?
Sensation.
Yeah, I like to feel that something's actually working, and that's what I love about this product. You can leave this on 10, 20 minutes, take a shower. You need to shampoo your Cocomino glossing shampoo. I think one shampoo is fine. And then of course, the Cocomino Marula cream conditioner. You know how I am. Shampoo the scalp, condition the ends. Shampoo the scalp, condition the ends. Shampoo the scalp, condition the ends. And of course, again, comb, in shower, comb that conditioner through the hair, evenly distribute. I mean, look at it. How fun. So fun.
Oh my God.
It actually really is a great product, you guys. And I'm talking to all you guys in the room.